Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use buying power on Robinhood. First, understand that buying power represents the total funds you have available to make trades. This includes your deposited cash that has settled, plus any margin available if you have a Robinhood Gold account. It's crucial to monitor this number before placing orders, as it directly impacts how much you can invest. Your buying power updates instantly with every transaction, so always check it. Robinhood offers two main types of buying power, cash and margin. Cash buying power is straightforward, using only the money you've deposited and that has settled. Margin buying power, available with Robinhood Gold, lets you borrow funds to increase your investment capacity, often up to 2 times your eligible cash. Remember, margin accounts require a minimum of $2,000 to activate, and borrowing incurs interest. To effectively manage your buying power, consider depositing funds regularly. Be aware of settlement times. Typically, deposited cash takes a few business days to settle and become fully available. Using unsettled funds for certain trades can lead to good faith violations, which might restrict your account. Always check your available buying power before executing trades to ensure you have sufficient funds. While buying power can enhance your trading, especially with margin, it comes with risks. Margin trading can amplify both gains and losses, potentially leading to a margin call if your portfolio value drops too low. Always trade responsibly and understand the potential downsides. For more tips and to check out the Owala water bottle mentioned, along with other great deals, please see the links in the description below. Remember to always invest wisely and stay informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.